Hello and welcome. Jonathan Bradshaw here with this week's Metology Minute, which I'm going to start by asking you a simple question. How many people do you think you've emailed in the last few days asking a request from them, asking them to do something for you? Because this week I want to highlight research from North America that suggests that where possible, doing so face-to-face, requesting something in person, can be hugely more effective. The research comes from Canada and the USA, from the University of Waterloo and Cornell University, where psychologists undertook a number of experiments actually, but the one I want to highlight is where they asked 450 people to complete a simple personality profiling questionnaire. Now, half of those people were asked via email and the other half in person, face-to-face. What's important is the script was the same in both. What was emailed in terms of request is what the researchers asked face-to-face when they asked the people directly. And the results were astonishing. I wonder how many people you think responded in each group. Well, 10%, only 1 in 10 people who were asked by email said yes. Whereas 70% in this experiment, 7 times the amount, said yes when asked face-to-face. Now, the researchers can't be 100% sure of why, but they have measured increases in trust and empathy between those who met face-to-face than those when compared with those who were asked by email. It's much more difficult, isn't it, as humans, put yourself in that position to say no to someone who's standing in front of you. So really interesting. I must point out that the psychologists do mention it's a small study, relatively small, hasn't been replicated to that degree yet in other experiments. It would need to be so to be totally validated. But I suggest that whether at work, asking your colleagues to help you with a project or give you back that stapler they borrowed last year, doing so by email could be far less effective than actually getting off your seat and going to see them. And of course, in our private lives too, we're requesting things from friends and family all the time. Would it be best to go and see someone face to face? Well, this study suggests absolutely 7 times as effective. Now, I'm not in front of you face to face now, but I'll finish with a request. I'd love you, be very grateful if you would share this on your social media channels. We're getting great subscription rates. I think what we provide in terms of insights to help people be even more effective when it comes to people skills is really valuable. So if you've enjoyed this and you enjoy these weekly insights, then do please share via your social media channels. As usual, scientific reference will be on the website below. Look at the script below and you'll find a reference to a link to the white paper or the research paper in question. And I'll be back in a week's time with another Metology Minute, exploring the fascinating psychology behind exceptional people skills. See you in a week's time. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.